My name's Jack Philp and I'm the engagement artist at National Dance Company Wales. As a part of my role here at NDC Wales, I look after our Young Associates programme, which is a brilliant programme for young dancers aged 14 to 21. And it's really a sort of progressional ladder for those that are interested in dance and passionate about movement. We've got a really exciting, broad, eclectic cohort this year of dancers that are just at the beginnings of their journeys, some that are interested to train and go off next year and in the years ahead to forge a career in dance, and those that are also just really passionate about developing their skills, connecting to artists and networking with other people. These days we've been working together to create a new piece of work which we've called Erupt, and it's been really brilliant to get into the space and just motor together as a team. One of the things I found getting into the studio this year with this group, and I think it's in particular because of the last few years, is that there's a real hunger and palpable sense to move.
We've had a really nice 4 days of creating and making, not just with Jack, but having independence to make a lot of the work as well, which has gone into the final piece. So a lot of the movement that will be seen in the performance is new and fresh from us as well. So that's a real treat to be able to show your own movement.
I've been an associate for 2 years now. I found it so beneficial and I think it's really essential in my growth as a dancer.
I feel like even if you're not a dancer and you're new to the dance world, that's okay. And it just gives you a new perspective and you can actually use the tools in contemporary in a different dance style.
It really helps you just grow as a person and your ideas, everything's welcome. Your ideas are welcome, Your personality is welcome, everything. It's just a really good experience. No matter what you want to do, it just sets you in such good stead for life.
I feel like my role in the studio is to come with provocations and ideas and to inspire and challenge the dancers, and they've really met me with energy, which has been really exciting. I'm starting to feel them take a hold of the work and take control of the work. I'm excited to see how they develop over time as artists and how the work matures with them as well.